Forgotten username recovery failed on Robinhood App Fix. If you've tried to recover your Robinhood username and hit a wall, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email, skipping verification steps, or missing the recovery email. The surprising truth is that a few simple steps can get you back in your account quickly. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app or visit the login page and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. Robinhood will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login information. Step 2. Check every email folder, including spam, promotions, and junk. These recovery emails often get filtered, and missing them is the main reason people think the process has failed. Avoid sending multiple requests in a short period, as this can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification information such as your full name, date of birth, and recent account activity. Contact Robinhood support directly with these details for faster recovery. Include any linked phone numbers to speed up verification. Step 4. Once you've recovered your username, store it safely in a password manager or a secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection and prevents future login issues. By carefully following these steps, you can regain access to your Robinhood account efficiently and securely. Remember, proper verification and secure credential management are essential for keeping your financial information safe and accessible.